Welcome to How to Crochet. Today we will learn how to make single crochet. Now once you've made your chain, you should be able to see these V shapes on it. What you want to do is insert the crochet hook in between this V shape. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. That's how you make single crochet on a chain. Again, in between the V shape, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now you can continue this until the end of the row. Once you reach the end of the row, you should make one extra chain stitch. This is known as the turning stitch and it will help keep your edges clean. Turn the crochet over and you can still see those V shapes on the chain, except this time instead of going in between the stitches, you want to go under the V shape of the stitches. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Again, you want to go under the V shape of the crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops.